Good morning, everyone. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you that you have passed in your FIBSc and you are studying or you are seeking admission in your second year of graduation in the course of BSc. This video is specifically for the students who are seeking admission for their second year of BSc. Actually, yesterday I met a student who was seeking admission for their SYBSc, and I asked her, why you have not elected English for your second year? And her answer was very interesting. She says, Marathi is an easy subject, sir. Marathi सोपा आहे आणि म्हणून मी मराठी विषय इलेक्ट करते. I wanted to ask you, why you have taken the science? Is it simple? Simple आहे म्हणून घेतलंय का? No, you have elected science because you thought that there are more job opportunities when you are doing your BSc in the science. Okay, you are doing it for the sake of your job. Yes or no? What happened? Let me tell you. I have no prejudice against Marathi language or Hindi language at all. But I want to tell you that your course, that is BSc, is thoroughly in English medium. Whatever knowledge you grasp, it is in English language. So when there will be a time when you will have to express your knowledge, जेव्हा एक अशी वेळ येईल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इंटरव्ह्यू असेल, ग्रुप डिस्कशन असेल, और काही तुम्हाला काहीतरी डेमो द्यायचा असेल, they will ask you to present your knowledge of your subject. For example, you have done your BSc in English. They might ask you perform or speak in detail about some chemical or some anything, whatever it may be. Then you have to express your knowledge, that is subject knowledge, into English way. So seeking admission in BSc with the Marathi language, no doubt we are proud of Marathi. Marathi is our mother tongue. But what is the need of our? आज गरज काय? English has become a global language. I am not saying it because I am a teacher of English, because it is, you can ask this question to anyone and he or she will tell you that English is a need of our. I wanted to tell you that if you want to express your knowledge in better way, you will have to elect English. For the second year of BSc, the syllabus that is framed for SYBSc is purely based on practical things. How to write resume, how to write application letter. See, literature will give you a way, literature will give you a kind of wing, literature will give you a kind of, what we can say, aesthetic pleasure, and it will also widens your perspective towards your subject and towards presentation. See, if you have abundance of knowledge, no doubt about it, you have distinction in your graduation course. And what happen if you don't have a language to express it? तुमच्याकडे डिस्टिंक्शन आहे, तुमच्याकडे भाषा विषय शिकण्यासाठी तुमच्या BScचा विषय घेतला असेल, बॉटनी, झू, केमिस्ट्री, मॅथ्स, फिजिक्स, तुमच्याकडे जबरदस्त नॉलेज आहे. अँड व्हॉट इफ यू कॅनॉट एक्सप्रेस इट? जर तुम्ही ते एक्सप्रेस करू शकत नसेल, इज इट युजफुल? इट विल लिमिटेड विथ यू, इट विल स्टे लिमिटेड विथ यू, ते तुमच्यासोबतच राहील. यू कॅनॉट एक्सप्रेस दॅट नॉलेज. सो आय विल अपील टू द स्टुडंट्स who are interested to take English as their elective for SYBSc. Let me tell you, I am not saying it because I don't have students for English. There are number of students who have taken, already there are 7 to 8 students who have elected English for their optional subject. What I want to tell you that being a student from rural area, we don't have an exposure to the English language. ग्रामीण भागातून असल्यामुळे आपल्याला इंग्रजीबद्दल एक्सपोजर मिळत नाही प्रॉपर. And this is the opportunity to learn basic things about language. इथे एक संधी आहे की तुम्ही त्या इंग्रजी भाषेबद्दल काही बेसिक गोष्टी शिकू शकता. And that is why I am appealing to take English as your one of the elective for second year of your BSc. I am not criticizing any language. All the languages are important, but being a student of science, for you English is more important language, because when there will be time to express your knowledge, you will need a English language. Are you getting it? That is why I have created this video. I also want to tell you that the syllabus that is framed for SYBSC is very practical based syllabus. Very practical based syllabus. There are lessons, there are short stories, there are poems, and there are number of things which are based on communication skill. How to improve your communication skill. This is very, what you can say, basic thing that you should need and you will need in your future. How to improve my communication skill? How can I improve my English language communication skill? What is communication skill? Communication skill is nothing but to express your knowledge so that the person who is listening will impress and will understand with your personality. That is why English is important, and that is why I will ask you to elect English for your second year of graduation course. Okay? Thank you, and we'll meet you in the class when the class will be resumed. Thank you.